Garage doors may appear simple, but they are complex mechanisms hiding serious risks within their structure. In Fort Worth, Texas, garage doors serve as a vital access point for daily convenience and security. Homeowners should never underestimate the importance of expert garage door repairs when problems arise unexpectedly. A malfunctioning garage door risks injury, especially when under high tension with weights reaching hundreds of pounds. Safety is paramount. An experienced technician can handle the dangerous forces involved, keeping your family secure. Technical expertise from professional repairmen allows for quick diagnosis and effective resolution of garage door issues. Using specialized tools is essential for proper garage door repair, ensuring precision and avoiding further damage. DIY attempts often result in costly mistakes. Professionals not only repair, but also inspect for hidden issues. Understanding the local climate is crucial, as Fort Worth professionals know how weather affects garage door functionality. Professional repair not only enhances door performance but boosts home value, making it a wise investment for homeowners.